patient is a case of secondary infertility and having a multiple IVF failure, and patient having adenoma and this myometrial cyst disturbing the uterine cavity, and this adenoma is displacing the uterine cavity anteriorly. So decision taken for microwave ablation, and now I can see you this probe. This is a probe. This is 16 gauge needle probe, and this 25 centimeter is length of this probe, and I introduce in the abdomen. You can see here only entry, the incision of the probe is needed. Now I introduce this probe. This is 16 gauge 25 mm probe. By on vision, by laparoscopically, I enter into the abdomen, into the patient, and the adenoma is exactly in the midline. So and this probe is connected with the that machine, micro ablation machine. You can see there the channel is connected to the machine, and we have kept 35 watt for 3 minutes. First, the point is to exactly connection and exactly the probe direction. First confirmed by the sonography, and for also the cooling channel on vision sonography, the steadiness of the probe is needed. Here the probe enter in this uterine cavity, that exactly we have introduced in the uterine cavity 2.5 centimeter, and you can see the exact point. This one is the point.
Okay.
This white echoes is the needle, and this is the adenoma.
Okay.
And in laparoscopy view, I have introduced exactly in the midline. Now the channel is connected this for the microwave energy, and this is the cooling channel. So it cool the whole this probe and all things. And now I start the machine for 3 minutes 35 watt. You can see in the machine. Now start machine for 35 watt, 3 minutes. You can see in the sonography. This is the probe. That white echoes is a pointer. I have kept this probe in the center of the adenoma. Little slowly by slowly. Now you can appreciate the chairing of that effect. Now you can see the chairing effect of this clouding effect in the uterine cavity, in the posterior wall of the uterus, at the exact probe point. And now complete 3 minutes 35 watt. You can see this clouding effect, this completion of the procedure. And little bit slowly I will withdraw my probe. Okay, complete.
Okay. Pull out.
You can see this big black in laparoscopy view. This is 5 centimeter, 4, 3. Now this white portion I am coming out. It's 1.6 centimeter. You can see. And slowly I am withdrawing this probe outside the abdominal cavity. You can exactly see this clouding effect.
Yes.
At the exact place of the adenoma, where this myometrial cyst you can see here is nearby this clouding effect, and this adenoma is compressing, displacing the uterine cavity upward. So we have done exactly the same place where the adenoma is there, and you can see, appreciate this clouding effect. So it will take 2 months to 2.5 months approximate to reduce size, and the normal endometrial lining, it will reduce the displacing whenever the size will be decreased. So mostly 2 to 3 months it will take.